In this video, we will tell you how to change the camera glass on your iPhone 13 Pro. We will tell you how you can replace the broken camera glass without opening the phone. First, we do it with surgical dabs, which are tiny glass tips. As you can see, we have a phone with broken camera glass.
Follow these tips to protect your device from using non-genuine or unreliable lenses. 1. Authenticity verification. Before buying the lens, make sure it is original and authentic. Buy from a trusted dealer or a trusted center of the brand to verify authenticity. Consider the chemical and product quality. Pay more attention to the chemical and product quality of the lenses. Original lenses and products provide better protection than non-original lenses in more durable and premium materials. Precautions to avoid: use and care for lenses properly. Use appropriate cleaning wipes and cleaning chemicals to clean the original lenses. Choosing a trusted brand. Use lenses from trusted brands that have a guarantee of authenticity and quality. Remember that using original and reliable lenses is very important to preserve the durability and performance of the device. Purchasing from trusted sellers. While buying lenses, shop from trusted sellers who are guaranteed of authenticity and quality. Remember that using original and reliable lenses is very important to preserve the durability and performance of the device. Hope you like our video. For more videos like this, please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon.